check out this new house, new listing. Come on. So this house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath house in Yorba Linda on over a ½ acre was set up to raise dogs, Pomeranians. They were so cute. But it's over a ½ acre. There's 1, 2, 3 structures, and really could be 4. But so they got a kitchen, a little makeshift kitchen here, part of a kitchen. And then you got a room here with a bathroom. 3/4 bath, with a shower. And then, as you can see, dogs. There's some more room for dogs over here. You don't have to have dogs, you can anything. This is so cool. So this is for the dogs to go outside. They each have their own little house. And then you'll see what they have inside, the other side of that. Oh, sorry if I'm going too fast. Just a little office area. Kind of a grooming area, I guess. And then more places for dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. There's your Great Danes over here and your Chihuahuas here. And let's go in here. There's a bath place for your dog tub. Look at this, for your dog, whoever. And then, the other side of what we saw outside, which is you can put the dog here and then you could pull this string here. Check this out. If you want the dog to go outside, let the Jaguar outside and close it on up. Tons of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 stalls here. And then there's a stall outside on each side. Let me see. Oh, here, there's kitchen. Kitchen sink, another stove, dishwasher. And this is just another room where they were keeping the dogs. They had a little door here. Pretty cool though. It's gonna be open this Saturday and Sunday, but just text or call me. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,800 square foot house with all this other stuff. It's phenomenal. It could be, I'm guessing someone's either gonna buy it with owns dogs that wants to, the potential for rental on this place must be amazing as well, because you've got bathroom, 2 bathrooms, 3 kitchens or makeshift kitchens, let's say. But what a unique property on Eureka. Let me know if you have questions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe and follow us for valuable real estate content. We have videos explaining escrow, title insurance, how to get top dollar for your house, the biggest mistakes sellers make, how to evict bad tenants, so much more. Thank you.